Imagine a world where the only limit is your own creativity, where the laws of physics bend to your will, where incredible landscapes, awe-inspiring structures, and mind-boggling machines spring from the flick of your fingers. Welcome to the boundless universe of Minecraft, where every block holds a world of possibilities. Today, we're not just delving into a specific facet of this dynamic sandbox game, Minecraft, but also the strong sense of community it fosters among gamers. This game isn't just about establishing a thriving survival base, but it's also about collaboration and shared learning. Players work together, building complex structures, sharing tips, tricks, and participating in multiplayer challenges that test their resourcefulness and understanding of game mechanics. A key element in your survival base is having a secure storage system, crucial to ensure that your resources are safe from thieving hands or destructive events. Likewise, the Minecraft community is a treasure trove of shared knowledge, safeguarded and passed on to help newcomers thrive. Maintaining a farm in your virtual base is an excellent strategy for a consistent food supply, much like how the vibrant, supportive gamers community shares resources to help each other survive in the game. Lastly, do not underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Having a bed in your base allows you to skip the dangerous darkness of the night, bringing a new day full of opportunities faster. Similarly, the communal spirit of the Minecraft world helps players navigate through the darkest challenges, ushering in a new day full of accomplishments. Furthermore, Minecraft's influence extends beyond individual gaming experiences, and it plays a significant role in esports. It has not just brought gamers together from around the world, but has also fostered a culture of friendly competition and mutual growth. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this exhilarating virtual adventure, a journey that is as much about community building as it is about survival strategy. Step 1. Choose your location wisely. Remember, a good location isn't just about the view. Look for a place with ample resources, trees for wood, animals for food, and a nearby water source. Consider setting up near a village for trading opportunities, but avoid spawning areas for hostile mobs. Step 2. Start with a basic shelter. Don't worry about aesthetics at this point. Your primary goal is survival. Use readily available materials like dirt or wood. Build a small enclosed space with a door, and remember to place torches inside to keep hostile mobs from spawning. Step 3. Upgrade your base. Once you've survived your first few nights and gathered more resources, it's time to expand. Build additional rooms for specific functions: a storage room, a crafting room, a smelting room. Consider building a farm for a steady food supply and a bed for skipping the night. Step 4. Fortify your base. Protect your hard work by setting up defenses. Build walls or fences around your base, install a moat, or even set up traps. Light up the area to deter mobs and always have an escape route planned. Step 5. Personalize your base. Now that you've got your basic survival base set up, let your creativity shine. Add decorative elements, build gardens, or create a towering castle. The choice is yours. In essence, setting up a successful survival base in Minecraft involves 5 key steps: choosing a strategic location, building a basic shelter, upgrading your base, fortifying it against threats, and personalizing it to your liking. Remember, Minecraft is a game of creativity and resourcefulness. It's not just about surviving, it's about creating a world that's uniquely yours. So, go forth and carve out your own corner in the vast, blocky universe of Minecraft. Whether you're building a humble abode or a sprawling fortress, remember the words of a famous architect: "The only limit is your imagination." Happy crafting?